years ago, if you told me that creating content online could open doors to opportunities I never imagined, I would have laughed. But today, I can boldly say that content creation has truly changed my life. And in this video, I want to share how it happened, the lessons I've learned, and how you can use content creation to create opportunities for yourself. When I started, I wasn't thinking about being a content creator. I was just passionate about helping people find jobs, especially remote jobs. I started sharing what I knew, posting resources, and encouraging others. And over time, people began to reach out, not for free information, but for real support. And that's when I realized that content creation is more than just posting online. It's about building trust, creating value, and positioning yourself as someone who can solve problems. Because of content creation, I built a free community where over 3,000 people now get daily job updates. I've had the privilege of creating a premium remote job support platform where people are landing real remote jobs, sharing testimonies that inspire me every single day. I discovered how to help job seekers through CV revamps and proving CV and cover letter templates, ensuring that their CVs are not just beautiful, but ATS compliant, tailored and irresistible to recruiters. I've even written ebooks like How to Land a Remote Job in 7 days that have become a practical guide for so many people. All of this started because of content creation, sharing what I know, and showing up consistently. And maybe you are watching me right now and you are wondering, can content creation really change my life? Can I really find opportunities online? Can I land that remote job I've been dreaming of? The answer is yes, but you don't have to do it alone. That's why I offer one-on-one coaching session to guide you personally, CV revamps and templates that help you stand out. My premium remote job support platform, where you get access to exclusive remote job links, leads, opportunities, and vacancies, and where you get access to CV tips and positioning strategies that actually work. And of course, my ebook, How to Land a Remote Job in 7 Days, which gives you a step-by-step plan. So if you're ready to take the next step, I'll leave the links below or send me a DM now on WhatsApp with the number on your screen. My number is on the screen. Don't wait. Opportunities are waiting for you, but you have to position yourself to grab them. Content creation changed my life, not just financially, but in impact. It gave me a way to touch lives, empower others, and to live with purpose. And I know it can do the same for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. And if you are serious about landing your next remote job or building an income online, privilege of creating a premium remote job support platform where people are landing real remote jobs every single day and they are sharing testimonies that inspire me every day. I discovered how to help job seekers through CV revamps and proving CV and cover letter templates, ensuring that their CVs are not just beautiful, but ATS compliant, tailored and irresistible to recruiters. I've even written ebooks like How to Land a Remote Job in 7 days that have become a practical guide for so many people. Send me a DM now on WhatsApp with the number on your screen and let's take that next step together. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be there to reply to your comments. Thank you for watching. Do well to share this video, like and comment. Thank you for your support. God bless you. Bye for now. Toodles. Mwah.